What's up guys, welcome back to another video on Pure Panorama. You guys can see that I am currently in the 24 valve, headed home from work, trying to get back with enough time to get set up for a video that I've just kind of been wanting to do because I'm just a little curious about some stuff. I'm gonna start introducing more of the side of me that the kids get to see at the house, more of the side of me that my family sees, and start showing you guys a little bit more of me and how I am, aside from just being serious with fixing things, installing things, giving you technical specs on different parts, this or that. So I want to start showing you guys different sides of me and whatnot, and just kind of let you get an idea of who else I am other than this guy on YouTube who films videos on his diesel truck and brings you what information he does know and gets information from you guys. But I had this idea the other night and I gotta try it out. I'm curious. I want to know what happens if I do this, and well, let me just get home and we possibly might be in for a treat. Alright guys, I am home and we are gonna jump right into it because I don't have much time left. The sun is dropping and dropping quick. Here, let me show you, just so you know, I'm working with very little time here. So there you go. You can hardly see it right there through this hedgerow, but we are going to try a little something with the 24 valve Cummins. I've just been thinking, like, what if I ever got stranded with just me and the old girl there? How would I eat? What would I do? I obviously would sleep in the truck, but I need a way to cook something. So I'm wondering if it would be worth carrying items in the truck that I would be able to make s'mores with. So we're gonna test out a little something tonight and see if we can't roast a marshmallow with the heat that comes out of the exhaust, or if that doesn't work, we'll try just above the exhaust manifold underneath the hood. Will it work? I don't know, maybe it will. Maybe we'll get it warmed up enough to where it'll start to melt and we'll be able to smush it between a graham cracker with a piece of chocolate and enjoy a little treat. Like I said, we might be in for a treat tonight. You guys are probably all sitting there on the other side of your screen right now thinking, what the hell, this dude is whacked. But I want to start incorporating a little different side of me into these videos so you guys can get to know me a little bit better and know that I'm not just always a serious dude with a few jokes here and there in his videos. I want you guys to know who I really am, and I do have a little bit of a funny side and a crazy side to me. So we're gonna try roasting a marshmallow and making a s'more with the Cummins. Let's break out the goods and try it out.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Doesn't look like it's gonna work with just the truck idling, so I'm gonna see if I can't find something to rest on the throttle, give it a little bit more juice, get those RPMs turning just a wee bit, and see if we can't heat up the exhaust gas just a touch to get this thing to melt. If that doesn't work, we try under the hood over the exhaust manifold. Maybe one of these will do the trick. Well, it is getting a little bit I guess, soft and squishy, but it's definitely not getting like it would if you're holding it over a campfire. And just to put this out there, I did Google what a campfire temperature can get to, and they say it's roughly on average around 500 degrees. Obviously, depending on wind and what type of wood you're burning, that can play a factor in how hot your campfire will get. I'm only out here as one person right now though, so I can only do so much to try and get this thing to melt. I did just top it off with whatever you want to call that as a topping, just blowing some coal on it. So I think the only thing left to do really at this point is put it between 2 graham crackers with some chocolate. Say a prayer for me. It's got a little bit of a melt to it, a little smush, just not quite like a campfire smush. Well, let's try it out. All I can say is thank God there was a piece of chocolate in there, because that marshmallow on its own would have been horrible. But we're definitely gonna have to try this again. Look, you can see I took a pretty big bite out of that. We will have to try this again though. I'll have to get an extra set of hands to help me out so that I can rev the truck and run the truck and try to get that exhaust a little hotter than it is right now. And then someone else can kind of hold whatever item we're cooking. But leave in the comment section down below what item we should cook next. Should we try a hot dog or should we try something different? What would you guys want to see me try and cook with either the exhaust or up on the engine, on the exhaust manifold, whatever it is. Put it in the comment section and we'll give it a shot. But I am going to close this video off and just go brush my teeth just for good measures. So I hope you guys can find it in you to hit that thumbs up button for trying to do something a little wild and crazy here. If you're stopping in for the first time, you're new here, hit that subscribe button, join the family, and I will see you tomorrow with another new video. Peace. Anyone want a bite?